Okay.
Oh, you're putting me too? Okay. So this is the Persian tea house. The decoration you see here is same as the decoration that you're gonna see back home in Iran. So we have like the same kind of decoration in back home. And so we serve salve, which is the traditional like a drink. And we have like Sharbat Siyar Shakandarin, which is the cucumber with the mint syrup. Also, we have Sharbat Almond with Sharbati, which is the lemonade with chai seed. And also, we have Sharbat Pakishir. It's a very traditional drink that people usually drink in summer. It goes back to many, many years back. And also we have Sharbat al which is the cherry syrup with ice and water. And at last we have the tea, which is a traditional tea. People cook it in a large kettle. With the bamya is a very traditional food that people use in Ramadan and other days of like year.